Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to actually trade a manipulative pair. Okay. So this video is going to be breaking down how to trade a manipulative pair. There are some pairs that are, they have a lot of manipulations, market manipulations done by market makers. So you are going to be able to beat the market makers at their game. Okay. If you actually watch this video to the end. So basically, what you need to actually use this strategy is to understand highs and lows. Okay, you need to know what your highs and your lows are. All right, so once you know your highs and lows, you are good to go. That's the first thing. The next thing is the pattern I'm going to teach you. Okay, so when you're dealing with a downtrend, what you want to focus on are the lows. When you're dealing with an uptrend, you want to focus on the highs. Okay, so basically what you're just looking for is you're looking for a support level or a resistance level. So you need that to get broken, and then I'll teach you the manipulative pattern. So let's say this horizontal line is a support level, for example. So if this is a support level, once that support level gets broken to the downside, it gets broken to the downside. I want this is the breakdown phase. Okay, so we have breakdown, then we have break above, and then break below. So you need to pay attention to these three things. Breakdown is the first one for the pattern, break above, then break below. This is a manipulative move that market makers use a lot. So if you understand these three moves, it's going to really help you. So now we have our horizontal line right there as our support. Okay, so this is our support level right here. All right, so what I want to see is, since it's a support, it means that it has bounced price, you know so it's more like a low, right? So I want to see price close below it. This is the breakdown part. Then I want to see price close above it. This is the break above. And then I want to see price close below it again, and this is the break below. So you have breakdown, break above, break below. So when a candle has broken and has closed below, immediately a candle is closing below it, I'm taking an instant market sell trade. Okay, I'm taking an instant trade to sell, place my stop loss a few pips above the most recent high created. Okay, so my SL will be a few pips above this, and I'll be targeting the next liquidity level. As simple as that. So this manipulation is what people don't really know about. That's why sometimes market will break a particular level, you take a sell trade, you see that all of a sudden market starts buying. Okay, market start buying and going towards your stop loss. Then it hits your stop loss and you feel, oh, probably it wasn't a sell trade, it's a buy trade. You enter the buy trade, and once you enter the buy trade, market starts selling again, and you're like, oh, selling was the first thing I chose. Why did the market not just sell? Why did this act as if it's a buy, then go back towards a sell again? So that's going to leave you frustrated. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call market manipulation, and market makers make this happen most of the time. And the system they use is what I've explained to you. You have a breakdown. If you're looking to go downwards, they will break below a low. After they break below a low, making inducing traders to think it's a sell trade. So traders will take sell positions, then they move it above the low again, because they know the stop loss of the traders that enter the sell trade will be above that low. So they will move it above the low, move price above the low, then reverse price again back towards the actual selling which the traders predicted. But this time around, the trader won't be going with them. Why? Because his stop loss has been triggered. Okay, so we have to be smarter, or as smart as the market makers. Okay, so let's take a few examples right here. So I have a low right here. Okay, okay. So in this case, market broke below the low, came back to retest the low, then pushed. So we wouldn't have entered this trade, okay? Because I need to see the manipulation. I am trying to play the game of the market makers. I want to see them push price above this low. This is the conventional way to enter a sell trade. Market breaks below a low, you expect it to come and retest that low before giving you a sell trade. The textbook name of this is a last kiss. Okay, we call it the last kiss when it comes to the theory of trading. Okay, so it's more like price is coming back to give a last kiss to the level it just broke before pushing in the downwards direction. So this is very, very common. A lot of traders know about this. So if market makers want to manipulate this, they can do it easily. You think this is the last case, you enter a sell trade here, you place your stop loss somewhere here, they'll move the price above this level to go and trigger those stop losses before pushing downward. So you are going to be the liquidity which they will use as fuel to push price downward. So we are not going to be falling for this. We are smarter than that. So we want to actually play the game of the market makers. And I can see them playing their game right here. So this time around, we are going to play it with them. So market broke below. This is our break below phase. Then market came and broke above. Nice. So I want to see the first candle that will break below that level, and that will be my entry. Okay, so this is the first candle that broke below. So once it's closing, I'm entering my sell trade. My stop loss will be the high, a few pips above the high price created while it was doing this silly manipulation. Okay, so my stop loss will be a few pips above this high. All right, I can target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or you just look for a very close liquidity to target liquidity points where I know price could get to. Okay, so you can see the way price pushed in our direction. So we'll be looking to see another low because they do this manipulation around lows and highs most times. Okay, so this is a low created right here. This is a low, a swing low created right here. Okay, so um market broke and closed below that low, and then went above it. So I want to see it close below it again in order to take a sell trade. Okay, so right here, what do you see? Market closed below it right here. So once this is closing, I'm taking a sell trade, place my stop loss a few pips above that. So let's see the way it played out. Crazy push to the downside. Okay, I think it would have put me in a little bit of drawdown right here, but remember my stop loss is somewhere here, so this would have given me a 1 to 1.5 or almost 1 to 2. Okay, risk to reward ratio. So another swing low was created right here. I'll place my level below that. So I need a break below, break above, and break below again. Okay, a breakdown, break above, and break below. So it broke, this is a breakdown. Then you have a break above and then a break below. Okay, so I would have entered a sell trade at this point. Stop loss a few pips above the high that was recently created by the silly manipulation, and then I'll target nearest liquidity points, and you can see price pushed in the downwards direction. Definitely it would have put me in a little bit of drawdown right here, but remember my stop loss is somewhere above that, so I would have caught this trade and made money with it. Okay, so let's see, this is another low right here, this is a low right here, so let's see what played out. Market broke below. Okay, so a lot of people would have taken a sell trade. Those that don't know how to play the manipulation will take a sell trade from here. Market reversed and pushed in the upwards direction, and we wouldn't have taken a trade. We'll be waiting for another break below. So another break below did not happen, and price just kept pushing, hitting everyone's stop losses that took a sell trade. And right here, there's another low right here. I have a swing low right here, so I need price to break below it, break above it, and break below it again. So let's see, market did not break below this one, it just kept, okay, it broke below right here, market broke below, so I needed to break above it and below it again if I'm going to take this trade. So let's see. Okay, so market broke above it, so let's see if it's going to break below it again. Okay, it broke below it right here, but I might not take this trade because the stop loss would have been crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so I wouldn't have taken this trade. Instead, there's another low right here created. Okay, so market broke below that low. All right, and broke above it right here. I prefer when it happens faster, not when it takes a longer time like the one I just looked at. Okay, so it broke above, I need to break below. Okay, so good, I like this one. It broke below right here, I would have taken a sell trade and instantly it would have moved me into negative. Okay, because the next candle just pushed up, but remember my stop loss will be at the swing high right here, a few pips above the swing high right here. Okay, So I would have taken a sell trade. This will move me into negative. Let's see how it played out. Okay, so deeper into negative, but not hitting my stop loss, because my stop loss is gonna be a few pips above this, and this level did not get there. Okay, my stop loss will be a few pips above this, and price moved in the downwards direction eventually. All right, so basically, if you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only thing you can do to encourage me to keep giving you these secrets. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me through the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. Alright, if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.